Okay, this is Ted Harris presenting show number 25347, and this is Harris Puppet Shows, and I'm going to be doing my version of Hans Christian Andersen's. No, wait, let's do it again. Hi, this is Ted Harris. This is show number 2478. And I'm doing my version of Washington Irving's classic, Rip Van Winkle. So we hope you enjoy it. Rip Van Winkle lived in colonial America sometime around the 16th century. He enjoyed helping people, made toys for children, and told stories to children. He was loved by all. Such are the days of King George as one imagine. I know. Mostly, Rip Van Winkle enjoyed avoiding the chores that Dame Van Winkle put on him by hunting in the Catskills. Interesting. Cats do not have skills. Rip Van Winkle! Who said that? Rip Van Winkle! Don't call my name. Rip Van Winkle! Seems interesting. Odd for being on here. Clothes seem to be out of date. Are you ever on here much? You're around these parts? Always been this talkative? Thunder, is that why you're here? Oh, you're bowling. So Rip Van Winkle decided to bowl with these strange guys. Wow, another strike. What's the matter with you? You look like you've been rolling gutter balls. Oh, a drink? Thanks. Delicious. I gotta get the recipe. Oh, I feel weak. Oh. So Rip Van Winkle slept a long time. Oh, my head. Where is everybody? Hello? Hello? Guess the bowling team's gone. They didn't even leave a trophy. Worse. They stole my rifle. Oh, let's let this pebble for a firearm here. What am I going to tell Dame Van Winkle? When Rip got back to town, the police had a strange deal. What? Where is that? Boy, give me a paper. What? First astronaut lands on Mars? First woman president elected? I don't believe this. The Secretary of State from Africa? I don't believe this. What's this? Starbucks? McDonald's? Where am I? Old man's got a funny beard. Old man's got a funny beard. I don't have a funny beard. My face feels a little scratchy. Oh, I know. Everybody's at the King George Inn. Remembering 9/11, the freedoms that we endured, the freedoms we brought to this country. Remembering Vietnam and all those people. Elect me to the World Congress. I will preserve the freedoms of this flag and steward. Wait a minute, what flag is that? You there! What are you doing here on World Election Day? World Election Day? Yes, are you a federal or Democrat? Nothing. I'm a citizen of this town. And I'm a subject of King George. Quiet! Quiet. You say you're a citizen of this town? Of course I am. Who do you know that can speak to you? Fairwick's the schoolmaster can speak for me. Hey, Fairwick's died years ago. So, then Rodolfo will speak for me. He was a general during the war. His grandson is in Congress. Everybody knows me. I'm Rip Van Winkle. Ha 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 ha! I don't believe this. I went out in the woods for a night and my brain is altered. Rip Van Winkle has a story. Welcome to tell this story. Good people. I was born with these strange men in the mountains. I had a drink and here I am today. Easy now, Rip. This person won't hurt you. Rip? Call your baby Rip? For you. This is Wilson. What happened to your mother? She died years ago. My grandfather went into the woods years ago and he never came back. I'm your grandfather. Peter Johnson. You're the town historian. You do not recognize this man. Let me see. Oh my goodness. It's Rip Van Winkle! Now, have you heard of Straight Bed Bullying Mountains? Yes. Legend has it. The Ghost of Veterans Party comes out every year, look upon the river and play non-pins. Hallelujah, it's a miracle. You are my grandfather. Well, it's different, but it's home. And so Rip had finally come home. And you learned it was now the year 2422 AD. He's now a citizen of the United States of America, now a citizen of the United World. Have I ever told you about how I played 9 pins with the Ghost of Veterans Party? Yes, but tell us again. Yes. I was out in the woods walking and I heard this voice saying, Rip Van Winkle. I'll do it again. Rip Van Winkle. Extraordinary thing. Should have been there. Anyway, I intend to bring a lot of great shows to you as the time goes on. Bring you a lot of great shows. Anyway, I think it's time I sing a song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world you fly, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. John Jacob Leiberschmidt, that's my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Leiberschmidt, da-da! John Jacob Leiberschmidt, that's my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Leiberschmidt, da-da! Leiberschmidt. Everybody do, but you are people always out there, so try to you can go and da! Is that neat? Not bad, huh? Let's think. Will you be my friend if I told you? Will you be my friend if I told you? Will you be my friend? As friends are forever. Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? Friends are nice to have a good time. They'll hold your hands when you are scared. Friends are nice to have a good time. they'll be your friend until the end. Will you be my friend if I told you? Will you be my friend if I asked you? Will you be my friend? As friends are forever. You be my friend. You be my friend. Friends are nice to have a good time. They'll hold your head when you are scared. Friends don't mind if you act silly. They'll be your friend until the end. You be my friend. You be my friend. It's another song. I can walk a mile away. I won't let nothing stand in my way. I can walk a mile in your shoes. I will be the best every day. I can, I am, I will, and yes, I believe. I just close my eyes and say, I will be anything I want to be. I will close my eyes and say, I will do anything I want to do. I will let nothing stand in my way. And though the road is wrong and dusty, I will walk along. I can, I am, I will, I am, I believe. Nothing will stand in my way. No one told me what I can do. Nothing will tell me what I should not be. I will let nothing stand in my way. I can, I am, I will, and yes, I believe. I can, I will, and yes, I believe. It's not bad, huh? I think we have time for one more song. Every morning in the dawn, trash piled up upon the lawn. Had to clean up all the place. Don't have room for all that was compacted. Compress it, recycle, make less of it. I don't know just what to do. That's the garbage man's blues. Every morning in the dawn, have to clean up all the lawns, have to clean up all the place. Don't have room for all that waste. Got compacted, compress it, recycle, make less of it. I don't know just what to do. That's garbage man's blues. We can't go on trashing all the place. Gotta clean up all that waste. This lesson I know is true. Recycling saves energy too. Got compacted, compress it, recycle, make less of it. Now that I told you just what to do, that's garbage man's blues. Neat, huh? And I'm not going to say anything further, so why don't you just enjoy the rest of the evening and have a great day.